back to another episode of Series 8, which is this to that series. Now this series is all about recycling और जो आज का object या material है वो है bulbs. The glass produced out of recycled glass reduces the air pollution by 20% and reduces the water pollution by 50%. So I think so it's a good reason that we should recycle it, either by giving to the companies who are recycling it or by recycling it at home. वैसे तो bulbs जो हैं I mean basically glass recycle हो सकता है, but if we recycle it, we will reduce the amount of space in the landfills. And initially, I also used to throw these bulbs in dustbin, but then I thought, why too unnecessary, increase dump in the landfill. So I had started collecting these bulbs, and now I have about 10 to 15 pieces, which is collected over a few months. And now I am planning to create a beautiful craft out of it. And let's get started. So the next step is very important because this is the time when you have to decide upon a design. The best way to do is place the bulbs on the base and imagine the design or the final piece, and then you can easily mark the points on the base. So you can see in the video that I will be trying different placements, and finally I will place the points and move forward. For this project I'm planning to hang the bulbs with the help of a twine. So I'm placing the points accordingly, and I have already thought of a design how the bulbs should fall. Here I am showing a close-up as to how I attached the twine to the bulb, and please keep some sort of a napkin or ice handy, because when you're doing this you might burn your fingers if you are using glue gun for the first time. But if you're a regular user, so you sure have an idea how to use glue gun. I hope you liked the video and the tutorial. Thank you so much for joining in and supporting my craft journey.